Right guys, the time has come for us to do the ice bucket challenge, and seeing as it's exactly
Thanks to Christina for nominating us.
Christina Saunders, thanks so much. Yeah, it's exactly 1 year until me and Heather are getting married, so we thought we'd do it wedding theme. So for my nominations, I'd like to nominate my best man Matt Overs and my two groomsmen Dave Barker and Robin Clark. And yeah, so it's all in aid of ALS charity, but any other charities out there that you know, would welcome some money, please donate. And thanks to the soon-to-be father-in-law for the awesome survival suits. Over to you.
Carrying on the wedding theme, I'd like to nominate my maid of honour, Jess Stokes, and also my sister-in-law to be, Sarah Lucas, you thought you'd escaped, and also Sam Davison. So you've probably all been nominated before, but this means you have to do it. So there we go. So,
why not use a tractor if you've got one?
Okay.
That's good. Well, I think we'll
Don't look at it. Oh shit.
It's gonna fill up the hoods.
No.
Oh my god. Oh, it's gone down in my feet.
Don't forget to donate.
Hey! Hey! You got...
So you can stop now. It's really upsetting. Oh, it's all in my boot.
I've got like...